Are you still typing out full questions into Google? So, let me show you how hackers and power users search. Google 10x faster and smarter with secret commands most people have never heard of. In this video, I'll show you how to find hidden files, bypass paywalls, search inside websites, and even track someone's old digital footprints. Okay, maybe that last one was a joke, but everything else is real and useful. So let's go. These are my top 10 Google tricks. Number 1, site colon. This lets you search only within a specific website. For example, site colon http://bbc.com, climate change. This command shows only results from the BBC website. This is great for research or checking if there are any old blog posts or news archives on a topic. Number 2, file type colon. This one's a lifesaver when you're looking for downloadable files. For example, enter marketing strategy file type PDF and Google will give you all the PDF documents it has found with those keywords. Pro tip, it works with many other file types too, such as docx, PPT, and XLSX. No. 3, entitle colon. Now, instead of just searching for a keyword anywhere on a web page, this operator tells Google to look for the keywords in the actual title of the page. For example, in title, AI ethics ensures that the page title includes those words. This cuts out a lot of junk results and gets you more accurate results. Number 4, in URL colon. This is a super useful one that lets you find specific text in a website's URL. For example, in URL colon admin login. This could be used by ethical hackers to find an organization's admin portal or login page, but please use it responsibly. Note that this one is great for developers who do bug bounty or pen testing. Number 5, cache colon. This one is a cool trick to view a website's previous version. Just enter cache colon http://cnn.com and you'll see the cached version of the website that Google has saved. It's perfect if the site is down or if the content has been deleted. Number 6, related colon. If you want to find websites similar to a certain one, then use the related colon command. For example, related colon http://spotify.com will give you websites similar to Spotify. I found this useful for both discovering new websites and also competitive analysis. Number 7, use quotation marks. Searching for a phrase. To search for an exact phrase, put it in quotation marks. For example, affordable AI tools for students. This way, Google will only show results that include that exact phrase. It helps filter out all the junk results and SEO spam that you usually get. Number 8, use hyphen to exclude terms. Let's say you're researching tech companies and you do want any results regarding Apple, the fruit, or Apple recipes. Then you can use the minus operator to exclude those search terms. For example, Apple-fruit-recipes. This will make sure that Google only shows results regarding the tech company Apple. Number 9, use the double dots for number ranges. This one's a clever trick to search within a specific range. Let's say you're looking for a new smartphone, and you want one that costs between $300 and $600. You can enter best smartphones, 300, double dot, 600, and Google will show you phones within that price range. It also works with dates. For example, you could do AI breakthroughs 2021 double dot 2025 to see papers published within that time span. Number 10, the wildcard asterisk operator. This one's a fun one. Instead of trying to remember an exact keyword, you can use an asterisk to fill in the blank for you. For example, best asterisk for students. Google will replace the asterisk with common relevant phrases. It's a great tool for brainstorming and exploring topics. So now you know how to use Google like a real hacker. But wait, there's more. I have 3 bonus tricks for you. First, you can drag an image into images. Google.com to do a reverse image search, or right-click on an image, hit search. Image with Google Lens. This is great for finding where an image was originally posted or to find similar images. Second, you can enter site colon http://drive, google.com confidential file. Type :PDF to search for leaked Google Docs. Remember, use it for ethical purposes only. This actually shows how many people make their documents accessible to everyone. And it's a good reminder to set proper permissions. And third, I have to mention Google dorking, very briefly. It's a hacking technique used in cybersecurity to find misconfigured websites. For example, in title index of backup, This might reveal exposed directories. But I won't go into details here since it's a bit advanced. Alright, now you know how to use Google like a hacker. No more scrolling through 10 pages of junk results. You can get what you need in seconds. Before you go, make sure to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. And let me know in the comments which trick was your favorite. Hit the like button if you learned something new today. And here's a pro tip for you. As promised, a bonus cheat sheet. You can download a one-page PDF cheat sheet of all these commands as a bonus. I'll put a link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking. Alright, now you know how to use Google like a hacker. No more scrolling through 10 pages of junk results. You can get what you need in seconds. Before you go, make sure to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. And let me know in the comments which trick was your favorite. Hit the like button if you learned something new today. And here's a pro tip for you. As promised, a bonus cheat sheet. You can download a one-page PDF cheat sheet of all these commands as a bonus. I'll put a link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking.